Okay, so you can see all these new members coming in. This person posted a video, said leads are flowing in because the system works. Okay, so we got other members showing a proof on even on videos. The tool works. So all you gotta do is take action and see how it can help you become a new member and bring in new members for any business that you choose. Okay. So another bonus, you can invite to our mastermind. It's actually a PLS mastermind group that is closed group. We welcome members all the time. You can see I just posted every post that you post, it's going to be approved by the admin. It's actually my sponsor. And you can see people are getting the results. As Arthur, he got a new gold member on his downline. And here's the sponsor, Alan Cousin. He's welcome always so new members and generate more traffic. He's the one that controls the traffic co-op. Okay, we send you traffic that you place on our site, the PLS Mastermind site, that you get access to, so it helps you generate more signups on autopilot without you promoting your links. You can let my sponsor promote your links and generate you some signups into Powerlead system. As you could see, have videos, training, replays on this page. And you can see, like I posted another proof, if you're not at diamond level, you can lose the diamond commissions. Okay, so it's something really to think about, and I will be going diamond as of next week. All right, you see, all the members getting results, new gold member because of our done for you traffic co-op. Okay, you can see here more proof. This is all in 1 week, guys. New diamond, new gold, new diamond, new gold. And when it says fast start bonus arrived, that means he earned $400 commissions. That's platinum ad secrets. Okay, so you can see two of them in the same day. On the 13th, he had another one. Okay, so it adds up real quick. Being a gold and a diamond platinum member with lead lighting upgrade of a Powerlead system. So just showing you my proof that the system works, and you get invite to this group also. Okay, other people are using getting traffic, learning how to get traffic with social media. Okay, you can see a proof, another welcome email. They are welcome a new member also. So it's not just me doing the same thing, it's other people having success. All right, and I'm showing proof that Arthur has your co-op traffic has been secured. It's scheduled to go start tomorrow. Okay, so you can see proof of people getting a traffic co-op done for them. All you gotta do is get to our training site. We send you a private email with the information so you can join our PLS mastermind group, so you can get access to this traffic co-op. Okay, and once you order it and get your traffic co-op, that's all you have to do. We do the work for you, send it done for you, traffic for you, and you generate leads and signups. Just like other members are generating new members into Powerlead system and lead lighting together. Okay. So on my screen, showing proof getting leads using lead lighting and as a gold member with Powerlead system. You can also check it out. Like I said, lead lighting is $7 one time, and you earn those $6 commissions. Okay, so I have my links below. And the thing is, if you check out Powerlead system, they give you free 7-day trial. So they add lead lighting with it, so you have both of them for free. Now, if you don't want to just go ahead and jump aboard with Powerlead system, check out another link for lead lighting review. Sign up for $7, start using it, generate $6 sales, and see how it works for you, and then upgrade later on to be a gold member because it's more advantage, like I show you with the tools that you can use. Okay, so to show you more proof of using this tool, I generated signups for this company. This is called another site called 250 Pays. This earns you $250 commissions. Okay, so it's kind of loading, so we'll let that load. Go back. I'm trying to let it load, but let's go here to this load. It's kind of moving slow, but I was able to generate signups for Traffic Hurricanes and the Traffic Exchange that builds and create traffic and leads and also makes money with you. I wanted to show you the proof, but it's taking time to load. Like for there, I had a sign up. You can see no member in your downline. That's actually using the Powerly system. I was able to generate sign up from this new company called Speedfeeder. Okay, and these are $100 buy-ins to Speedfeeder. Okay, so the service works. This service generate all these signups using Powerly system as a gold member. As you can see, multiple signups coming here, 2 a day, 5 a day, and these pays out unlimited $25 commissions. This day I got 7. Okay, another day got 9, and another day I got 28 signups. Okay, so those add up real quick. Here's 33 signups in one day, 4 signups. So as I soon start using Powerly system as a gold member, I got 4 signups, and then the other day I got 33 signups, and then continue to send the traffic, got 28 signups. Okay, so the signups was coming in, and this is just another website using the tools of Powerly system. Okay, so I'm trying to show you more proof of using Powerly system with other things that I can promote and generate signups. But right now, still you can see on Google is not loading. Okay, so we can close that. I can go to